Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Krish.
And myself here. So today we are having some gifts. Let's check them out. First we'll start with this cool emoji pouch, which is so cool. Yellow color. What? Something is there inside. Let's check it out. What is that? Oh wow, we got Jeremy Silk Oreo. Yum 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 yum. Look. Yummy. Yum 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 yum. Wrapper. Take it out. I love Cadbury Silks. Really. Yum. Look. Oreo crunches. Yummy. You love this chocolate, Krish?
Yeah.
Me too. So here is the pouch that we got. Amazing emoji. Let's check out another pouch. So cute it is. Look. Cute kitty with the pink bow. Wow. Love you. So I. Ha. And a cute butterfly. It's too soft. Pink colored pouch with hearts. Open it up. Oh, too many candies. We got 38 candies. I love this Flaro. Yum, yum, yum. And here is the last gift. It's a remote control car. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yoo-hoo! Are you having fun?
Yes.
Rolly, rolly. And here is one surprise here. It turns to Robo. Yay! Woo! So cute, Robo. Woo! Woo! I like this car.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
I hope you all like this gift. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and send comments below. Bye. Give me a high five. Woo!